వెల్కమ్ టు భూవికా స్టడీస్. మనం ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో వచ్చేసి మిషన్ ఆర్ఆర్బి ఎన్టీపీసీ పార్ట్ 3 డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది నేను డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఎవరైనా కానీ మన ఛానల్ని మొదటిసారి విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. మేము పెట్టబోయే ప్రతి వీడియో మీ దగ్గరికి నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో చేరుతుంది. సో ఇంకో విషయం ఏమంటే ప్లీజ్ ఈ వీడియోని అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. చాలా వాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది నేను ఈ వీడియోలో ఇవ్వబోతున్నాను. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోని వీలైనంత మందికి షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే. హూ ఈజ్ ద కరెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ మెడికల్ రీసెర్చ్ మీన్స్ ఐసీఎంఆర్కి కరెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ఎవరు అనేది క్వశ్చన్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ డాక్టర్ బలరామ్ భార్గవ్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ డాక్టర్ బలరామ్ భార్గవ్. సో ఐసీఎంఆర్ గురించి కొన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది తెలుసుకుందాం. హీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ ది సెక్రటరీ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ హెల్త్ రీసెర్చ్. బిఫోర్ హీ వాజ్ ఏ ప్రొఫెసర్ ఇన్ ఎయిమ్స్ ఢిల్లీ. ICMR headquarters is New Delhi. Dr. Vinod Pal is Niti Aayog member. Dr. Soumya Swaminath is Chief Scientist of WHO, very important. Dr. Harshavardhan is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare. ఎవరు? డాక్టర్ హర్షవర్ధన్. Kalingat is the famous for its beaches. In which of the following states this beach is situated? Kalingat is famous for its beaches. In which of the following state this beach is situated? Answer is Goa. Answer is Goa. So Kalingat is a town in Goa, and the other famous places in Goa are Kola, Wangetra, Arjun Beach, Saint Cathedral Church, Medal, Tekrokoll, and current Chief Minister of the Goa is Pramod Sawant. Capital is Panaji. Rajya Sabha seat is 1. Lok Sabha seats are 2. Which of the following country is not a part of a G7 group? Which of the following country is not a part of a G7 group? Answer is China. Answer is China. సో G7 కంట్రీస్ ఏవనేది ఇక్కడ లిస్ట్లో మనం చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సో G7 కంట్రీస్ ఆర్ కెనడా, ఫ్రాన్స్, జర్మనీ, ఇటలీ, జపాన్, యునైటెడ్ కింగ్డమ్స్ అండ్ యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్. ట్రిక్ ఫర్ G7 కంట్రీస్ రిమెంబర్ చేసుకోవడానికి డ్రింక్ జ్యూస్ విత్ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్. డ్రింక్ జ్యూస్ విత్ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్. సో జ్యూస్ J for Japan, U for USA, I for Italy, C for Canada, E for England, GF. So GF means G for Germany, F for France. So this is the trick. Who among the following was the author of the book Kamayani? Who among the following was the author of the book Kamayani? Jai Shankar Prasad. Answer is Jai Shankar Prasad. Which of the following disease is also known as doom fever? Which of the following disease is also called as doom fever? Sorry, doom fever. Answer is Kala Ajara. Answer is Kala Ajara. So it is caused by the protozoan parasites. It affects the internal organs, particularly like liver, spleen, bone marrow and lymph nodes. The first oral drug found to be the effective in treating Kala Azar is miltefosine. In 2020, which of the following player has been conferred with Padma Bhushan Award? In 2020, which of the following players has been conferred with Padma Bhushan Award? Answer is PV Sindhu. Answer is PV Sindhu. Padma Awards are conferred in 3 categories: Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. Awards are announced on Republic Day every year. This year, President has approved 141 Padma Awards. Out of 7 Padma Vibhushan, 16 Padma Bhushan, 118 Padma Shri. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award of country. In which of the following Indian states did the Mopaline Rebellion of 1921 took place? In which of the following Indian states did the Mopaline Rebellion of 1921 took place? Answer is Kerala. ఇది ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ ఆర్ఆర్బి ఎన్టీపీస్లో అడిగారు ఈ క్వశ్చన్. Boomdila Pass is located. Boomla Pass or Boomdila Pass is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Boomla is located Tawang district of Arunachal Pradesh. This pass connects India and China. Through this pass, the Chinese army even invaded India during 1962 Sino-Indian War. Who among the following is known as the designer of Indian national flag? Pingali Venkaya. Who among the following is known as the designer of Indian national flag? Answer is Pingali Venkaya. The current version of Indian flag was adopted in the meeting of Constituent Assembly held on 22nd July 1947. The proportion of length and breadth of Indian national flag is 3:2. Currently, Karnataka Khadi Gramayoga Samukyata Sangha is the only unit in India that is authorized to manufacture and supply the flags of India. Panchasheel Treaty was signed in which of the following year? The Panchasheel Treaty is signed between China and India. Okay, the Panchasheel Treaty was signed in which of the following year? Answer is 1954. The Panchasheel Treaty is also known as a 5 principle of peaceful extensions. Panchasheel Treaty is also known as 5 principles of peaceful extensions. It was signed between India and China in 1954. India and China 1954. Who is the current head of Baba Atomic Research Center? Who is the current head of Baba Atomic Research Center? Answer is Ajit K. Mohanty. Ajit K. Mohanty. Ajit K. Mohanty. Headquarters is Mumbai. Establishment January 3rd, 1954. Founder H.J. Baba. Arvind Saxena, head of the Union Public Service Commission. G. Satish Reddy, head of Defense Research and Development Organization. K. Shivan, head of Indian Space Research Organization. Which of the following device is used to measure the latitude and velocity of clouds? Which of the following device is used to measure the latitude and velocity of clouds? Answer is nephoscope. Answer is nephoscope. Hygrometer measure the humidity. Pedometer count the steps of a person. Glucometer measures the glucose level of body. Which organization does not have its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland? Which organization does not have its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland? Answer is UNESCO. Answer is UNESCO. UNESCO full form is United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Headquarters is Paris, France. Established 16th November 1945. Director General Adure Ajole. Head Michael Bachelet. WHO head Tendros Adhanom, ILO head Guy Ryder. In which of the following cities the central office of Reserve Bank was initially established? In which of the following cities the central office of Reserve Bank was initially established? Answer is Kolkata. Answer is Kolkata. It was initially established in Calcutta. It was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937. RBI established 1st April 1935. Shaktikant Das was the current governor of RBI. Sir Oberon Smith was the first governor of RBI. C.D. Deshmukh was the first Indian governor of RBI. According to a study by NASA, what was the first molecule formed in space? According to a study by NASA, what was the first molecule formed in space? Answer is helium hydride ion. Answer is helium hydride ion. Some images in computers are stored in PNG format. PNG stands for. Some image in computers are stored in PNG format. PNG stands for. Answer is portable network graphics. Answer is portable network graphics. Recently, which Indian company became the 40th most valuable company in the world? Recently, which Indian company became the 40th most valuable company in the world? Answer is Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry. Headquarters is in Mumbai. CEO is Mukesh Ambani. Founder is Dhirubhai Ambani. Established 8th May 1973. Tata Group Chairman N. Chandrasekharan. Infosys Chairman Narayana Murthy. Mahindra Chairman Anand Mahindra. Recently, Indian, America, and which company has taken a decision to develop a 5G techniques? Recently, India, America, and which company has taken a decision to develop a 5G techniques? Answer is Israel. Answer is Israel. Recently, which state government has launched the biggest piggery machine of India? Recently, which state government has launched the biggest piggery machine of India? Answer is Meghalaya. Answer is Meghalaya. Which of the following Vedas has the mention by Saraswati river? Which of the following Vedas has the mention of Saraswati rivers? Answer is Rigveda. Answer is Rigveda. Lord Buddha's statue in Rajgiri is in the middle of Dash Lake. Lord Buddha's statue in in Rajgir is in the middle of Dash Lake. Answer is Gaura Katora. Gaura Katora. So Bihar CM Nitish Kumar unrevealed 70 feet tall statue of Lord Buddha at Nalanda district, Rajgir. It was unveiled on 25th November 2018. It has been made from cubic foot pink stone. Gora Kotra Lake is a natural lake surrounded by 5 hills. Which game has 7 players in each side? Which game has 7 players in each side? Answer is water polo and kabaddi. Water polo and kabaddi. Water polo 6 field players and 1 goalkeeper. Kabaddi 7 players each team. Basketball 5 players each team. Baseball 9 players. Coco 12 players. To which state is the Suha dance related? To which state is the Suha dance related? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Answer is Chhattisgarh. Chamira Dam is situated in which among the following states in India? Chamira Dam is situated in which among the following states in India? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Who was the architect of Jaipur city? Who was the architect of Jaipur city? Vidyadhar Bhattacharya. Vidyadhar Bhattacharya. సో ఇవ్వండి టాప్ 25 క్వశ్చన్స్. సో మీకు కానీ ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, వీలైనంత మందికి మన ఛానల్ని ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.